So what the scriptures is saying here, as touching this miracle that our Lord Yahushua performed, if you can receive it, is that our Lord became invincible. And according to what we read in the book of St. John, the 14th chapter and the 12th verse, where our Lord promised for those who believe on him that the works he worked, they shall work, and even greater works than those. Well, this would mean that that same miracle, that very miracle that our Lord performed, where he hid himself, would be manifest through the elect of the nation of Israel, in effort to preserve us as it preserved the life of our Lord Yahushua. And how do we know this? Well, it's found within biblical prophecy, and in particular, the prophecy spoken of right here in the book of Isaiah, the 59th chapter, and the 19th verse. It says, so shall they fear the name of the Lord from the west, and his glory from the rising of the sun, when the enemy shall come in like a flood. So what we read in here is a prophecy concerning the so-called white man through his military closing in on the nation of Israel, and in particular the elect. That's what it means when it says the enemy shall come in like a flood, which the reasoning behind the scriptures comparing Esau's advances, if you will, to a flood is because a flood is overwhelming. When these troopers storm in, that's going to be overwhelming. You see? Again, it says, so shall they fear the name of the Lord from the west, and his glory from the rising of the sun, when the enemy shall come in like a flood.